Hello everyone, this is my working table. Everyone has seen my background for a long time, but not my table. But the issue with this table in this corner is nearly perfect, except there's this 1 feet of gap. Things tend to fall off, and then also another 1 feet of gap here. So this summer I've decided to take upon myself to build a tabletop that would extend to the end, so that I can fully utilize all this space. All right, and rarely see my table to be so clean. But anyway, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so table is done curing 2 coats, and then it's good to touch. So then we'll move it over and see if it works out. All right, here it is. So then basically the gap that I was worrying about, it extended the table that much. Oh, I can move it a little on both sides. So yeah, so basically I got more surface that I can work out of. Probably move my printer up. So then yeah, got a full length table, and and this, other than the tools are probably the initial upkeep, but the wood and all the stuff was like so cheap, and I'm glad that I learned this skill and be able to do this work, and I can probably do some more. And actually this signified how customized this is for me. All right, so yep, that's it. And then I'm looking forward to doing more woodworking project in the future. Oh, right, this is cool. Oh, all right, see you guys later.
呢條片呢度就完㗎啦，記得 CLS 三部曲 comment like 同 subscribe 我嘅 channel， 同埋喺 Facebook 同 Twitter 揾我啦。咁下次再見啦，拜拜。